Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make prawn suit upgrades. The prawn suit is an incredible tool for deep-sea exploration, and with the right enhancements, it becomes even more versatile. We'll cover everything from essential modules to crafting and installation. Understanding these upgrades will significantly boost your efficiency and safety in the ocean's depths. Get ready to transform your prawn suit into an unstoppable exploration machine, capable of reaching new areas and handling tough challenges with ease. Let's dive into some essential modules. The Depth Module Mark I is vital, extending your operational depth to 900 meters. For resource collection, the drill arm is indispensable, making quick work of large deposits. If you need to move fast, the grappling arm offers incredible agility, letting you swing through caves and across terrain. And for sustained power in volcanic areas, the Thermal Reactor Module is a game changer, continuously recharging your suit's energy. Crafting and installing these upgrades is straightforward. You'll need a vehicle upgrade console, which is built inside your moonpool using a habitat builder. Once crafted, interact with the console to select and build your desired modules. After crafting, simply pilot your prawn suit into the moonpool and access its upgrade panel. You can then drag and drop your new modules into the available slots, customizing your suit for any mission. To truly maximize your prawn suit's potential, consider strategic module combinations. Pairing a grappling arm with a drill arm offers both mobility and mining efficiency. The jump jet upgrade is fantastic for navigating complex terrain and reaching elevated areas. Don't forget the storage module, which adds 8 valuable inventory slots, perfect for extended expeditions. By thoughtfully selecting your upgrades, you can tailor your prawn suit to excel in any situation, making your underwater adventures more productive and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.